Hi all. As part of our interview question series, today we are going to discuss one more interview question. So the question is, what is account assignment model? This account assignment model is also called AAM. AAM stands for account assignment model. So what is the purpose of this account assignment model and what exactly is the account assignment model? This is the interview question. Then the answer should be, it is also one of the posting techniques given to the users, which is intended to enter the documents easier and faster. Sometimes the amount of the document is to be distributed among the business areas or company codes or cost centers in the predefined percentage always. In that case, we can use this account assignment model very much. Say, for example, we are paying rent, right? And we have two business areas. So every month, the rent is to be distributed among these business areas, 60% and 40%, right? See, we are paying rent only one lump sum amount, but that rent amount is to be distributed among two business areas in the ratio of 60 and 40. And this percentage or this ratio is always same. In that case only, we can use this account assignment model. So I will give you one example also to make you understand, but the answer should be like this. See, remember, you need not explain all these things to your interviewer, right? You just have to say that it is also one of the posting techniques which is used to enable the users to post the documents easily and with very much fast. So this account assignment model can be used when the amount to be distributed among the business areas or the company codes or cost centers is always fixed. Then only we use this account assignment model. So from the interview point of view, you have to say these two paragraphs only, that's it. But practically, I'm going to show you now also. The account assignment model can be used only for GL accounts. Then an account assignment model can be incomplete, which can be completed during the document entry. So while creating the account assignment model, there may be some information missing, right? In that case, you can create this account assignment model only with the available information. But when you're using this account assignment model to post the accounting documents, we can supply the incomplete information, we can complete it, and again, we can post it. So instead of manually distributing the amount among the GL accounts or company codes, we can use the equivalence numbers. Equivalence numbers means ratios for distributing the debit and credit amounts. We can also create account assignment model for the cross-company code transactions also, right? So this is the exact answer, what you have to tell to the interviewer when you're asked what is the account assignment model, right? Now let us take one practical example. Then this is for your understanding purpose only. I'm going to take one practical example and I'm going to show you how we can create account assignment model and how it is used to create accounting documents, right? So let us take one example now. See here, our company code is SSM, right? Then we have two business areas. We have two business areas like SSMM and SSVN. So every month we pay rent. Rent amount is 25,000. So this rent amount is to be distributed among these two business areas, 60% and 40%, right? In that case, instead of splitting that amount manually, instead of distributing the amount of 25,000 between SSMN business area and SSVN business area manually, we can use the account assignment model, right, to distribute this amount of rent 25,000 every month between SSMN business area and SSVN business area 60%, 40%. We can create account assignment model. Okay. Now let us see how to create the account assignment model. Now you can take the notes. First, let us log into the system. So you can write create account assignment model. Create account assignment model. You can write the path. SPRO. I'm sorry. It's a part of SAP Easy Access. It is the end user activity actually. You can write the path again. Accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. Document entry. Reference documents. Account assignment model. Reference documents. Account assignment model. Transaction code FKMT. Transaction code FKMT. Account assignment model is equal to, please write down. Account assignment model is equal to SSMN A, just like that. You can give one identification. Account assignment model is equal to SSMN A. Click on create button. This is the create button. Then currency is equal to INR. Currency is equal to INR. Chart of accounts SSMN. Chart of accounts SSMN. Sample text rent payment. Sample text rent payment. Click on details button. Click on details button. Now you write one table like this. You write one table like this. First column, posting key. Second column, company code. Third column, GL account number. Fourth column, just a minute. In the previous screen, you have to select equivalence numbers. In the previous screen, you have to select equivalence numbers. Do one thing, after sample text, you add one more field. Select equivalence numbers. So equivalence numbers is nothing but your ratios or percentages. Now click on details button. Now you have to write this table. First column, posting key. Second column, company code. Third column, GL account. Fourth column, business area, equivalence numbers. Last column. Now, under the posting key 40, company code SSMN. So I want to distribute the rent amount, right? So GL account 400, 300. GL account 400, 300. Business area SSMN. So for this business area SSMN, how much percentage to be distributed? Equivalence number 60. That means 60%. Now again, posting key 40. Company code SSMN. Company code SSMN. GL account same 400, 300. Business area SSVN, another business area. Equivalence number 40. Remember, always the sum of these equivalence numbers for debit and credit should be equal to 100. Now, cash account is also to be distributed. Posting key 50. Company code SSMN. GL account 2,100,000. Business area SSMN, equivalence number 60. Equivalence number 60. Again, posting key 50. Company code SSMN. GL account 2,100,000. Business area SSVN. So for the second business area, the cash account amount is also to be distributed as 40%. That's it. So here what we have done, here the requirement is when you're going to post the document, rent account data to cash account, right? Then this amount of both the GL accounts is to be distributed to the business area SSMN and SSVN in the ratio of 60:40. Click on save. Now see the message, account assignment model was saved. Now let us post one rent document with 25,000. Then we will see how this account assignment model can be used to distribute the amount of this business transaction between these two business areas. Same transaction, we have -0. Posting of document, write down. Next step. Posting of document using account assignment model. Posting of document using account assignment model. So you can use the same transaction code, F-02 only. So here you have to enter the document header information as usual. Document date is 26/10/2023. Type is SA. You can write if you want. Type is SA. Company code SSMN. Posting date 26/10/2023. Period 7. Currency INR. Currency INR. Then on the application toolbar, write down. Click on account model. Click on account model on the application toolbar. Click on account model on the application toolbar. Account assignment model is equal to SSMNA. Account assignment model is equal to SSMNA. Here you have to enter the account assignment model which you want to use as a template. Click on enter. Click on enter. See, whatever the account assignment model we have created is taken over here, right? Continue. Debit distribution is 25,000. Debit distribution is 25,000. Credit distribution is 25,000. Credit distribution is 25,000. So the rent amount is 25,000 actually, right? So debit amount of 25,000 and credit amount also 25,000. This debit amount and credit amount is to be distributed among these two business areas in this ratio. That's it. So we enter the debit distribution and credit distribution 25,000. Then click on save. Look at this thing. Here, business area SSMN, account Fogla 300 rent account. So for the business area SSMN, right, 60% is to be distributed, right? 60% of 25,000, 15,000 is distributed there. Then posting key 40, business area SSVN, right? Account rent account 400, 300. And for the business area SSVN, the amount to be distributed is 40%. So 40% of 25,000, 10,000. Then second line item, cash account, right? Business area, posting key 50, credit for GL account. Business SSMN and account 2,100,000, right? Cash account. So this is also to be distributed as 60%. So 60% of 25,000, 15,000, right? Then posting key 50, business area SSVN, account 2,100,000, 10,000. So the cash account to be distributed for the business at SSVN is 40%, right? 40% of 20,000, 25,000 is 10,000. So the system automatically distributes the amount, right, among the two business areas. If you remember, right, at the time of posting the business transaction, you can enter only one business area. But sometimes the transaction is to be distributed among the common business areas. For that purpose, we can use this account assignment model. Now here, one more thing, all the line items are in blue color. You know, I told you in one of the previous classes, whenever you see any blue line item, you have to understand that some information is due for those line items. So unless you provide those information for those line items, you cannot save the document. See, if you double click on the blue line item, first blue line item, the system will take you to the field where the information is required. Here, see, the text is required. Text being rent paid. Here, for every GL account, we have assigned the field status group G001, where we have selected the business and text as required entry. That's why at the time of posting, right, text is mandatory field. That's why it is asking for the text for every line item. Click on back arrow. Double click on second line item. Text plus. Click on back arrow. Double click on third line item. Text plus. Click on back arrow. Double click on fourth line item. Text plus. Click on back arrow. Now you can post. Document 46 was posted in the company code SSM, right? Now you can display the accounting document number 46, FD03. See, this is the rent amount, total is 25,000. That total of 25,000 rent amount is distributed between SSMN and SSVN business areas in the ratio of 60 and 40. So this is very, very useful tool in the real-time implementation projects from the user point of view, right? So this is the concept of account assignment model. So when you face the question, what is the account assignment model? You just have to say these two paragraphs, that's it. It is one of the posting techniques given to the users, which is used to enter the documents easier and faster. Sometimes the amount of the document is to be distributed among the business areas or company codes or cost centers in the predefined percentages always. In that case, we can use this account assignment model very much. That's only the answer, that's it. But everything else is for your understanding purpose only. It's not just getting the interview questions, right? You also have to understand the concepts also, right? That's why I have explained you this much thing, right? So, and as usual, I'm requesting you to share the video, to like the video, right? And to subscribe to my channel, right? With your support, I'll be able to upload many more videos like this. Thank you.